IEEE Smart Village has had a long-lasting partnership with Global Himalayan Expedition, aka GHE. We first met Robin and Ray in Mumbai during the IEEE Intellect event in 2015. It's here where we shared our Himalayan story of electrifying remote villages of Ladakh. That was the turning point for GHE. The initial funding that came in led to the electrification of 5 remote villages of Ladakh. The news spread like wildfire, and we started getting requests to electrify even more villages that were even remotely located. By the end of 2015, GHE had already electrified 10 villages in Ladakh. The villages of Umlung, Sara, and Sumda Do were powered by DC solar microgrids with energy-efficient high-lumen LED lights and street lights. The same year, GHE presented at the IEEE GHTC conference in Seattle and shared the story of impact with the IEEE Smart Village family. We even carried the Pashmina shawls that were woven in these electrified villages by the women with the support from IEEE Smart Village. Next year, 2016, became a big year for us as we were invited to present not only at the World Economic Forum Davos, but we were also presented with an opportunity to do a documentary with National Geographic. 10 volunteers from IEEE Smart Village flew all the way to Ladakh and electrified the ancient monastery of Lingshed in just 5 days. It was indeed a Herculean task, but the concept of DC solar microgrids and its ease of installation went viral in Ladakh.
It is really appreciate that we want to appreciate to the IEEE Smart Village as well as GHE and then their team members. So that's install the macro electricity in the Lingshed monasteries.
Over the next 5 years, GHE went on to electrify over 100 villages in Ladakh. All these microgrids were community owned but serviced through an entrepreneurial model. We further evolved our model and started focusing on livelihood activities in these electrified villages. The first thing that came to our mind was homestays. We were now setting up traveler homestays in these electrified villages that would also lead to additional income generation for these village families. This additional income would support repair and maintenance of these solar microgrids. In the recent COVID times, we also saw a huge potential in strengthening the primary healthcare centers of remote locations in India. The idea of powering these medical centers with solar power grids and also providing them with critical medical care equipments was appreciated by not only the local administration but also by the village communities. Last year, we upgraded few primary healthcare centers not only in Ladakh but also in the northeastern part of India. After having electrified over 150 villages in India and recognized globally for our efforts on designing low-carbon solutions, GHE now enters into an era where carbon neutrality and capacity development will play a big role in the overall sustainability of the ecosystem. Lingshed Monastery, which was earlier a one-day trek from the nearest motorable road, is now fully accessible by road. In a few months from now, the power grid lines will also reach the village of Lingshed. But in spite of the development that has come around, the villagers and the local leaders of Lingshed still remember the support provided by IEEE Smart Village when they came back in 2016 and electrified the whole monastery.
My name is Destin. I want to be a scientist.
My name is Tabdan. I want to become an administrator.
I want to become a doctor, engineer.
My name is Tanzin. I want to become a mayor.
It's been more than 6 years, but this partnership of IEEE Smart Village and GHE will only grow upwards and forwards and evolve as the universe expands.